is an idea to practice the rhythm to make this song very nice and precise. Ti, tit, ki, ti, ti, tit, tika, tika, ti, tika, ti, tika, ti, tit, ta. Now I'm gonna play this song William Tell. I would start with finger 1 on the lowest key, green one, which is closest to your mouth. And then I would use finger 2 to go to red, because then you have 3 following keys you need to play, so it's very convenient. And now back finger 1 to the green key. And fourth, finger 2 to 2, and finger 2 to red key. At that point we are on second line, bar 8. And now I would suggest to use finger 1, because the melody goes into this direction. So when you place finger 1, it's much easier to reach the next finger, which is the yellow one. And now, in the last bar of the second line, I would suggest to go with small finger to the purple key, because the melody goes down. And then again, finger 1 to the purple key, because the melody goes up. William Tell Overture theme was composed by Gioachino Rossini, an Italian composer. And here is the idea to interlinking this tune into other subjects. For example, history. Gioachino Rossini was born in 1972, so you might want to ask yourself what important things happened in this year. I made a small research for you, saving your time. I found that in 1792, Kentucky becomes the 15th state of the United States of America. Another interesting fact is about French Revolution, a proclamation of the abolition of the monarchy by the French Convention, and the first French Republic was established. I found interesting fact from astronomy. In that year, Hungarian astronomer Franz Xaver von Zach published the tables of the sun, very important and essential early work for navigation. And another interesting fact you may use is the fact that for the overture, the composer combines 4 descriptive pieces. The opera opens with an alpine sunrise, which is followed by the fierce storm, a tranquil aftermath, and finally the march of the Swiss army. So you could use the links to geography. So again, you can use 3 different links to subjects such as history, astronomy, or geography.